Saying goodbye. Mastering the art of farewells among acquaintances. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to focus on farewells among acquaintances. Saying goodbye might seem simple, but there are many ways to do it, each with its own nuances. Remember, the goal isn't just to understand English, but also to use it naturally and appropriately in different social situations. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss the basics. When saying goodbye to acquaintances, it's generally appropriate to use informal farewells. Phrases like, "see you later," "take care," or simply, "bye," are all suitable. However, be mindful of the context. For example, "see you later" implies that you expect to see the person again soon, while "take care" is often used when you may not see the person for a while. Sometimes, you might want to add a bit of specificity to your farewells by referencing the time of day. For example, you might say, "good night," if it's late in the evening, or "have a good afternoon," if it's just past noon. Adding an extra phrase or two can show friendliness and convey more meaning. Phrases like, "catch you later," "have a good one," and "safe travels," if they're heading out on a journey, are all great options. Remember, saying goodbye isn't just about the words you use, it's also about understanding cultural context. For instance, in some English-speaking cultures, it's common to wave or nod when saying goodbye. In others, a handshake or even a brief hug might be expected among acquaintances. Be sure to observe and learn these subtle cues when you're in different English-speaking environments. Well, there you have it, an overview of how to say farewell to acquaintances in English. With a little practice, you can master these phrases and use them naturally in your conversations. Remember, the more you use and practice these phrases, the more comfortable you'll become with them. Happy learning, and as we learned today, catch you later.